Introducing the next generation of XR professional power tools by DEWALT. The most compact, best performing brushless drills and impact drivers we've ever designed. The compact drill and impact driver feature optimized brushless motors for up to 30% faster application speeds. The compact drill has a brighter LED light that's up to 20 times brighter and can be used as a 20-minute task light in spotlight mode. The compact impact driver features precision drive torque control, engineered to help prevent stripped fasteners. This drill performs above its size and weight, capable of applications not possible with our last generation XR compact drill. And thanks to the performance-tuned next generation XR brushless motor, applications are performed up to 30% faster. Because when it comes to your workday, faster is better. Both powered by 20-volt max extreme runtime lithium-ion batteries, the DCD791, DCD796, and DCF887, with next-generation DEWALT XR brushless motors, designed to meet your needs, engineered to outperform, and built guaranteed tough by DEWALT.
The Makita subcompact is very lightweight. I liked it. I like the speed, the gears that it has. I would use a tool like this for overhead driving screws. If we do this kind of work all the time, this would be a good tool for it. The brushless motor felt strong. It felt like the new way of going. All seriousness, I would use it at home. It's new, it's light, it looks awesome. I like the color.
In our trade and any trade, time is of essence, so the faster it charges, the quicker I could swap batteries and get back to work. If it's interchangeable with every power tool I have, that's obviously convenient, so I don't have to have multiple chargers, multiple batteries.
It's very important that I have one battery and one charger that powers up multiple tools. All day long I switch off from an impact to a drill motor to a circular saw, and having one battery platform for all those tools is very important.
This compact drill fits in really tight space. It's got 18 volts. This particular battery is small, lightweight, makes this tool very versatile. If I need a longer battery life, I just grab the bigger battery. It's not too heavy on the bottom, so you're not working your wrist, and it's easy to navigate up into a tight spot.
The new assist mode is great. I can see the benefit all day long and all the different screws that we use. Not stripping them out. When they jam, the assist mode helps. You're not ruining bolts all day. The speed was there. The variable speed control gives us help for different situations. I would totally buy the Makita subcompact. It's smaller, it's lighter, power's there. It's still an 18-volt battery, but it's lighter and it's more compact, so it's easier to use.
Thanks for checking out the PS32, the Bosch 12-volt max EC brushless 3/8" pocket driver. This is a tool itself, the PS32. It features a 3/8" 3-jaw chuck on the front for quick and easy bit changes. It also has the EC brushless motor, which means it has twice the motor life of its brushed predecessor, as well as being more compact and lighter weight than previous motors, which means this tool is only 6 inches long and 2 pounds, the lightest, most compact in the category. The tool also has 2 speed options, 400 RPM up to 1300 RPM for various applications throughout the day. It has an LED light as well as a belt clip on there for quick and convenient storage. Now, the tool also features a brand new 4x bit tip storage, which means I can actually store 4 different bit tips right on the tool to work with the magnetic bit tip holder on there. Now, the tool also works with our flexible power system, which means it works with our 12-volt max slim pack and fat pack batteries. You can buy the tool as either a bare tool or with slim pack batteries as well. Build your own kit in a combo kit, make whatever works best for you. Now, if you want to learn more about the PS32, check out this page, or learn more about all the different Bosch cordless power tools, including the 12-volt max and Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion.